Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to send Robux to your friends on Roblox. So it's a really simple process, so let's hop right into the video. So first things first, to send Robux to your friend on Roblox, your friend is going to want to go to create, and they're going to want to go here, and they want to click dashboard in the top left corner. And once they go here, they're going to want to go to their creation, so their username's place. Everybody should have their username's place right here. You want to go ahead and click on that. And once they go here, on the sidebar, there should be all these options right here. You want to scroll all the way down to monetization right here, and then they want to click on passes. Once they click on passes, they're going to want to go ahead and create a pass real quick. So just click create pass. This is completely free, so you don't have to do anything for it. So they can name it whatever you want. Then they can put a description if they want. They don't need to though. Then they click create pass. Now once they do that, they should have a pass made right here. And once they have that, they want to click on the pass, and then they want to put it on sale by going to sales in the top left, and then turning on item for sale and listing the price in Robux. Once you do that, they could go ahead and click save changes, and they could go back to the passes, and then once they're here, they want to go ahead and click on these three dots right here, and they want to open in a new tab. So if they open it in a new tab, it should bring them here. As you can see the pass and everything, and they're going to want to go ahead and copy this link at the top right here and send it to you, whether it's through email or message or whatever. It doesn't really matter. Just they have to send this link to you. It can be through Discord, but once you get it, I'll switch over to my other one right here. Once you get it, you are going to want to paste it into this bar right here, so it will bring it up right here, as you can see. And then all you have to do is click buy, and then you will be able to buy the Robux and send them Robux. Now keep in mind that Roblox will take 30% of the cut, so they would only get 70% or 70 Robux instead of 100, but that is the best way you can send Robux to your friend on Roblox. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.